In this video, I am going to share you the usage of toggle button in Excel. We have here the customer and supplier details. When we click customer details, we will get the customer details. When we click supplier details, we will get the supplier details. So we are hiding some rows here in order to get supplier and customer details. So we have here some rows here. So before that, I am going to remove the shapes for both shapes, for the toggle button and other shapes. I am going to remove first. So click here and remove the shapes here, and we can add new shapes here. So I'm going to remove everything and click insert, click on shapes where we can find first shape, draw the first shape, then we need to format this shape. So click right button, click format shape here, click on fill, select no fill. We need blank here, we don't want fill here. Now we want to insert the toggle button inside. Just name it as IMEX. Please note the name IMEX, IMEX. See, we want to remove this button both sides. So go to developer, check the code we have written here. See the codes. First one, B12, range B12. So B12 value supplier. So the B column are hidden here. Just unhide this B, and the row also hidden here. We need to unhide everything. So just want to unhide whatever rows are hidden here. So I'm going to unhide. So we got it, B12 here now, supplier. So go to the Visual Basic code again, where we can see in case it's supplier, the IMEX button shapes should be left side, increment left -30, to be in the left side -30. So we need to move it to customer. That case, the B12, then the B12 value must be customer instead of supplier. And 6 to 25, that is the rows. See, we can see here, instead of supplier, that should be customer. When we click supplier, then it should be customer. Then let's see here what are the hidden rows and columns here. First one, 6 to 25, unhide. The remaining all hidden rows from 26 to till all the rows. So we can see here, and column Q to XFD, it's hidden. So we can remove that the unnecessary codes from there. We don't need it, that one. And column A to B to be hidden true. See here, we can assign this macro. Click on assign. Okay, just we can run this macro. See how it's work. So it's a little bit bigger. So we can just adjust here. I think it will work. Now it's okay. See how it's work. We can see our Wi-Fi, mobile Wi-Fi button, Wi-Fi on and off the same way. So see here, in case we are using if here, in case increment left +30, then B12 value should be supplier. See, when we click customer, then it should be supplier. Then some rows are hidden and see here, the customer, B12 should be customer. click here, then 6 to 25. The first from 6 to 25 rows should be hidden, the remaining unhidden. 26 to 45 unhide, and from 46 to remaining balance row, all remaining rows hidden, and colon always A to B hidden and Q to XFT hidden. See how it works now. I will add all the description in the below, all the codes, my VBA codings in the below description. I hope you understand this video. Thank you very much.